What's wrong your legs? Your legs is broken because mommy not buy a Baskin Robbins. Oh my goodness. You hiding your leg because mommy, you mad at mommy because mommy not buying a Baskin Robbins. And you too, Rose, you don't have a legs also, you have only one leg. And you too, Jack, because mommy not buy ice cream. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now I really need to buy ice cream now. Because your leg is gone. So you have only one leg now. Because mommy not buying ice cream. This bird is very funny. Do you know that? You are very funny because mommy not buying ice cream. Oh my goodness, you only have one leg now. Jack and Rose only have one leg together. Oh my goodness, you are just funny. He's a funny bird. In real life, they understand me. They understand my English. Oh my goodness, do you understand me? No, mommy not buy Baskin Robbins yet. Because we don't have money yet. Nobody sponsor. If somebody sponsor, mommy gonna buy you Baskin Robbins Rocky Road. Okay? What's wrong your legs? You only have one leg because mommy not buying ice cream. Baskin Robbins. So what if I said, okay, mommy gonna buy a Baskin Robbins. I think daddy buy, go to ice cream there. I think daddy buy Baskin Robbins. I think daddy buy Baskin Robbins there. Oh my goodness. Daddy buy ice cream Baskin Robbins Rocky Road. Oh my goodness. Daddy buy Baskin Robbins. Oh my goodness. You don't believe me. Yeah, you don't believe me now. It's okay. We're gonna buy tomorrow if the rain stops. Just only one scoop, okay? Mommy gonna buy one scoop tomorrow, okay? It's getting dark. Can you put down your legs? Because mommy gonna buy Baskin Robbins tomorrow. But you need to eat, okay? You need to eat Baskin Robbins, okay? In real life, okay? Put your legs down. You need to listen to mommy. Listen to mommy. You need to put your legs down, Rose and Romeo. Come on. Come on, you need to put your legs down. You're just not listening to me, okay? Put your legs down. Your legs right there. Nothing wrong with your legs. Nothing wrong with your leg and also you. See? Nothing wrong with your legs. So if I buy a Baskin Robbins, you're gonna put down your legs. Funny bird. Yes, you are. You are just a funny bird. You understand mommy English, right? Yes, you are. You see your legs. You see your legs. How about you, Rose? Oh, your leg is okay. Oh, it's not okay. Your leg is not okay. Oh my goodness. I think both of you, I need you to bring to the emergency room. Because your leg is broken. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness. I think I need you to bring to the hospital. There's no leg, only one leg left. The leg is broken. Look at that. And also to you, Rose. You have only one leg. Oh, see? Oh, it's okay now. I'm not need to buy a Baskin Robbins. You okay now? Okay, Rose. No, mommy not bring you to the emergency. Oh, I'm gonna bring you to emergency room again because your leg is broken. Oh, okay, I'm not bringing you to the emergency room. I think I need to bring Jack to emergency room. Look at your leg. You have only one leg. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's alright. It's alright. You're gonna be okay, okay? Mommy gonna buy you Baskin Robin, okay? Okay. You happy? Mommy buy you Baskin Robin. Okay.